Welcome guys to a new video. Thank you very much for joining me. Today we are going to be looking at the Nike Air Max 90 Black Iron Grey Anthracite Light Ore. Absolutely beautiful Nike Air Max 90 and reflective. They reflect, they have a gum sole, they have soft padding. Whoo! These are a very nice Nike Air Max 90. Guys, if you do enjoy my videos and you love Air Max 90 just like I do, make sure you like, subscribe, turn notifications to make sure you don't miss any more of my videos. I'm super excited for this. Let's just jump into the review. The sneakers come in a regular Nike box and there's nothing special about the box, just your standard box. And then you get the official description, which is Nike Air Max 90 Black Smoke Grey Anthracite. Starting with the tongue, which is kind of special because it's got this Nike Air Max 90 1990 label, which is really cool. As a comparison, normally you get the Nike Air Max tongue, but now on these ones you get the Nike Air Max 90 1990 sort of different label, and I think they're really cool. A little bit of difference. Nice to see something different on Air Max 90. The toe box has like a sort of cotton cross stitch all over and around the upper of the sneaker, around the sock liner. On the inside, the sock liner is absolutely beautiful. I'll show you that way round. So you got the Nike Air, on the inside, and then you get this lovely soft cotton for the padding around the sock liner. I can't tell you how lovely that is. You have to go and try it. It's so nice. The sock liner on this feels like pillows on your feet. Absolutely beautiful. The back of the tongue also has the soft cotton, which feels really, really nice to hand. You have a mixture of different leathers on the upper and the mud guard, which is synthetic and real. The swoosh is the synthetic leather. You've got that beautiful Air Max on the side. The air unit is looking crispy clean. The midsole is made of polyurethane and it feels lovely. If you squeeze that, you can actually feel it moving quite a lot. So that means you're going to be getting that extra comfort. Nike have gone all out with these. They feel absolutely great on your feet. And then we go to that outsole. Absolutely beautiful gum outsole. Looks so nice. I think it suits the sneakers really well. And it seems to be getting a lot of people excited for this Air Max 90. But the gum sole is not the standout feature. The reflective laces are. The laces and the tongue and the swoosh all reflect. For example, I'm going to turn my light off just to show you how much they do reflect and don't reflect. This is the sneakers without any light in, and that is what they look like when they've got a proper LED light on them. That reflectiveness is so cool, man. I absolutely love them for this reason. The heel plate is made of rubber and it feels really, really nice to hand. Overall, the materials on these sneakers, I'm giving a 10 out of 10. The execution of this Air Max 90 is super dope. Very, very cool, reflective Air Max 90. We've looked at the materials of the sneaker. Now we're going to be getting down to the comfort, the sizing, and then we're going to give it a rating at the end of the video, just to wrap the video up and give it a nice overall score of what I would think, and maybe that can help you guys decide whether you would like to buy this sneaker. The comfort of these Air Max 90s is super dope. When I say comfort, very nice. They're pretty durable, so they bend a little bit. They are very, very squidgeable. That polyurethane outsole is really, really squidgy, so that's really, really nice. That makes them nice and comfy. The thing that makes these super comfortable is that sock liner. The sock liner is so padded, the tongue's so padded, and it's also got a soft cotton on the inside, which makes them really, really nice and really, really lovely feeling on your feet. You know when you put something on your feet and you just, they feel really good. They feel really good on your feet because of that soft cotton all around the sock liner and on the tongue. Man, the comfort on these, I can't recommend them, especially in winter as well, because they're going to keep your feet warm. So it's got good padding for winter. They're black, so it's going to be good in winter because of that reason, and they're going to keep your feet warm. A lot of reasons to buy this Air Max 90, and that's just the comfort. The sizing, they fit true to size. As soon as you put your foot in, they feel absolutely lovely. There's no need to go up or down size-wise. true to size will be absolutely awesome. These are a lovely Air Max 90 and I really like them. I can't really go into detail about how much I like them because it's just one of those, you buy it and it's good, all right? It's good. It's not like ridiculously good, but it's a very nice Air Max 90. I'm going to give them, my overall rating for this sneaker is going to have to be a 9 out of 10. Air Max 90. Nike are doing Air Max 90s proud at the moment with some of them. Some of their colorways are a bit wacky, yeah. But for the reflectiveness, the sock liner mainly, and that polyurethane outsole, they're awesome. 9 out of 10 has to be my score for these. The comfort on these are absolutely dope. I can't wait to wear them in a bit. I'm going to revisit them in about 6 months' time. I'm going to revisit these in 6 months' time and give you guys an update of how I'm getting on with them to see how much wear and tear, how they hold up. Are they going to be worth buying after 6 months? I don't know. But we're soon going to find out. If you did enjoy that video, hit like, subscribe, turn notifications to make sure you don't miss any more of my videos. And I will see you in the next video very soon. Salute. Join me. Today we are going to be looking at the Nike Air Max 90 black. I can't remember what it's called. The black Nike Air Max 90 black anthracite. Damn it!
They're not anthracite.
We've checked out the materials on the sneaker, they're very nice. Now we're going to be looking at the sizing, the comfort, and then we're going to give the rating of... We've looked at the materials of the sneaker, now we're going to be getting down to the sizing, the rating, and then we're going to... sizing... We've looked at the materials of the sneaker, now we're going to be getting down to the comfort, the sizing, and then we're going to give it a rating at the end of the video, just to get it sort of... just to wrap the video up and give it a nice overall score of what I would think, and maybe that can help you guys. Maybe that can help you guys decide whether you would like to buy this sneaker.